Hey guys, welcome to another video from Tiredgeek. Today I wanted to discuss the issue of getting the error message in Windows that the DNS server is not responding. And in this tutorial or how-to video, I have about 3 different methods that you can try to resolve this issue. If you'd like to first go to down here in Windows 10, if you would go to the wireless or Ethernet icon down in the notification area, you can go to Open Network and Sharing Center. Once here, we can go to click on Local Area Connection or Wi-Fi in my case. And from here, you can click on Properties. Enter your password if applicable. And down here at the this connection uses the following items. They'll have several components here. You'll click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Click on that and then go and click on Properties. Click on Use the following DNS server addresses here. And for our purposes, we will be using Google DNS. It's tried and true and proven. A lot of people use it, a lot of technicians, a lot of IT. It's a pretty sound DNS server to use. The following addresses are the DNS server addresses for the Google DNS. 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4. And we will want to make sure to go ahead and click Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click Close. Okay. Go ahead and close that out. Close everything. And test your connection and see if that fixed the problem. If it didn't, we'll go ahead and move on to Method 2. For Method 2, one handy trick in Windows 10 is that you can right-click the Start icon and click Search or any other variety of cool and nifty tools and components of the control panel. For our purposes, we will go to Search because most likely if you're on Windows 8 or an earlier operating system, you will use the search feature there as well. As you can see in the Start right-click Start menu, you are actually able to go ahead and jump right into an administrative command prompt. In our cases, we will go ahead and go to Search. We'll type in CMD. We'll wait. Right-click Command Prompt and run that as an administrator. This is because we want full privileges. We want full privileges to run these commands, and that is really the only way to do it without running into any conflicts or issues that will prevent you from properly entering these commands into your system. From here, we will go ahead and type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Oops. ipconfig /flush DNS. Okay, so it went ahead and flushed the DNS resolver cache. If that DNS trick did not work, and this did not work, we have 4 more commands that we can run in this second method. So, if it didn't work, we'll go ahead and type in ipconfig registered DNS. Oh, wait a bit. Okay. Okay. Then we'll go ahead and type ipconfig release ipconfig renew. Oops, ipconfig renew. I have butterfingers today. Okay, so that went ahead and reconnected automatically. That's good. And then the last command that we can try is netsh winsock reset. and we will need to restart the computer for this to take full effect. So this will be a good opportunity to leave off in our second method to discuss the last method that I will actually not be showing you in person because it would entail having a camera and going to my router and power cycling, and I don't really want to do that right now. So last resort is power cycle your router and restart your computer. When you power cycle your router, you're going to disconnect the DC cable from the back of the router or modem. Sometimes the ISP will give you a modem router combo, so it'll have the Wi-Fi or router capabilities built in. In my case, I have a modem, a dedicated modem, and a dedicated router, and an access point. So a lot of people's network configuration will be different. But in most cases, you'll reset your router because that is what will be handling your DNS settings, as well as all applicable DHCP table settings. We're getting into more than we need to. So anyways, you'll pull your DC power cable from the back of the router. You'll let it sit for about a minute and allow all of the cache, the internal volatile memory, to clear out. From that point, once a minute passes, you'll replug the DC power cable back into the router and allow the lights to flash and the processes to start of the router to start. And once all normal lights are solid, you'll go ahead and go to your computer. You'll restart the computer. You may want to restart your computer after we do each method. So I know it's painstaking unless you have an SSD installed in your computer. Go ahead and restart your computer after method 1, after the first part of method 2, before doing these last four settings here, 4 options there, and then restart your computer after you power cycle your router to double check and make sure that the issue is resolved. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below in the comments section. Like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.